This is Crossblog XTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ọ̀rọ̀ Pastor OLUKOYA àti Maureen Badejo. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gba ẹ̀rín gan seriously o. Torí tẹ́ bá gbọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ mí báyìí. Ó ní voice note lára àwọn church member bí lára àwọn pastor ní church OLUKOYA. Wọ́n ń jà lórí owó tithe o. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń pariwo lórí owó tithe. Owó tithe ti di gòbé báyìí o. And àmọ́ bóyá arákùnrin ti gbé owó ní whichever way. Wọ́n ṣáà ń drag ẹ pé Pastor OLUKOYA máa ń preach pé owó tithe Olúwa ló ní, owó is God's money. Now bóyá ọ̀gbẹ́ni wa ti gbé owó whichever way. OLUKOYA wá ní kó mú owó yìí wá. Ló bá sọ fún OLUKOYA pé Daddy, ṣe rántí pé iná lè máa preach pé tithe money is God's money ni. Olúwa ló ní láti béèrè owó yìí padà, ẹ̀yin ò dé láti béèrè owó yìí padà ilé ìgbẹ́nu tán. Kí ló dé? Ẹja gbọ́ lẹ́nu Maureen Badejo àti ẹni tó ń drop voice note yìí. Ẹ ṣáà listen very carefully.
My people, this Ayọ̀léyìí táwo ṣe Àjàyí in 2021. I have it. He went and wrote nonsense on my page, a review. I copied it. I kept it somewhere. As a police officer, do you have every right to do that? To come on the social media to write nonsense on my page. Àsìkò ẹ̀ ń bọ̀, mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ò ní pẹ́ tẹ́ ìwọ náà máa ṣẹ̀ sí bí o ṣe ń gbomijó lójú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé. You cannot continue to be doing this. Your name always. Oh, they be ọmọ ẹ. The same thing you did to everybody. Kí ló dé? Oh, they ma fún wá so fún dànù òfun. Yes. Tí mo gbọ́ ọmọ fọ̀ because yí ẹ dáadáa kún mi fọ̀ yìí wá ṣe òfun dànù. Continue jẹ́ ká sọ orí go búkú ìwé ṣe ká yìí o.
Ayotunde Richard, you use the same woman on that case. That's the person. On the day that you were visited by my HOD Esther Adebayo to come and meet on this matter, the only language you said was that I want my money back. Then I was confused. Is this money your money, Dr. Daniel Kolawole OLUKOYA, or is it God's money? But if my memory can serve me right, the teaching and the message you have preached, I want the whole world to go back to the YouTube channel of Mountain of African Message. Go and listen to all the message where Dr. Daniel OLUKOYA himself preached and said, thank God offering are God's money. That if you think anybody is spending your money, he said, look for the address of God. Go and ask God. But if you cannot get that, then you just pay your money and forget about whatever 10 years that happened. Because
brainwash from the highest order. Brainwash from the highest order. Titan money, according to the Evolution Amos, Titan offering is God's money. And if you cannot find the address of God, you should pay your money and forget about it. My
question is this. Is it God that is asking you, Dr. Daniel OLUKOYA, asking you, Temitope Olawale, asking you, Omotosho, if this money is truly God's money, I have gone to God and asked for pardon.
Okay.
That is the situation that pushed me into this situation. And God has assured me that He has forgiven me.
No battle.
Into trouble too with me. You have sent different policemen to police me around. You sent SP Comfort Kennedy, who is the current DPO of the police station, and the IPOs to go after my trade. And they have been going about. Let the whole world hear me this moment. These people have been going after. They have been threatening my wife. They have been threatening my son. And they have been threatening my in-law. That they have been of that.
Oh, Lord George, Daron. Oh, Shirin. Oh, Lord George, Daron. George, Leloy.
Please listen to the whole word. If anything happened to me, Olutola Folusho Amos, If anything happened to Taiwo Jacob and his wife, if anything happened to me, my wife and my children, my family, listen to me this day. It is not a suicide if they fake it. Dr.
This,
OLUKOYA.
you hear what this guy says something here, and I want to pause and I want to analyze something. He said, if anything happened to me, only it is not a suicide or they fake it. That is the way they used to fake it. This woman, they say how can a person drink sniper right inside church or the auditorium? When this church, we know all the way they do everything, they go arrange you, they will fake it. This man say, if you eat pie, it is not ordinary pie. Say they fake it. So, this takes us back to this woman. They say she drank sniper. And she pie right inside the auditorium. Haba! How person go die for inside church? Yeah, Nigeria. Ilu yìí tó wá di nǹkan mi. Sniper right inside the church. Mi. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Sniper right inside the church. Kokusile o. I beg, what did they do for church? I want to pause. I want to ask question. Because it be like say something. I beg, what did they do for church? Not be to go and pray, to seek the face of God. Make una answer. Help me now, Nigerians. I be make Akuku close it. Make I not play am again. How can somebody drink sniper? She drank sniper right inside the church. I beg, what did they do for church? Nigerians, I don't like as soon as they do, when they watch this program. Make una talk. Type now. Kino sheni church. Now, church is a place to buy. My people, go hear me. People, make una help me now. Nigerians, make una help me. What did they do for church? Now to buy? They say these people, they will fake anything. This guy just confirmed something. He said, if anything happened to me, they fake it, oh. Church is not to worship. Thank you. Church is not to... Church is to worship. Church is to worship, but in this church, they drink sniper. People, they buy right inside the auditorium. Because they need... What give us the impression that it's not as if they fake it, as this guy say, if person buy, they fake it. You know how many people where they run after? Do you know how many people where this church they run after? They lose police to threaten their members. Who
is the director of administration, and it is Ola, and it is the auditor of Mountain of Our Miracle Museum, who is Omotosho Olalekon. It is you, Pastor Noah, who investigated this man, and it is you, Lulu Oladiri, I remember your surname now, who investigated this matter that is on my train to kill me. If I have admitted to that fault, and I have written undertaking to you that I want to be the payback, the whole world, please listen to me. I went further. I told them I am willing to pay. That at this moment, I need the minister to give me just 1 month to 3 months. And I wrote that letter. I sent it to Pastor Esther Adebayo. And the content of the letter was that the ministry...
God bless you, my brother. Church supposed to be a place of refuge and worship. Not be to go drink sniper. They die you. And this brother just confirmed to us now that in that church, they buy person and they go fake them. And we know we don't talk and tire. We don't talk and tire. This is not the first one, the second one, the third one. Go and... Maybe all of them, they abused me that time. This one, they among the people where they abused me at that time. Oh, oh, the number, so balamba.
A condition that pushed me, that I am willing at the moment to sell my car, and I am willing to sell my incompleted house where I spent the money. And with this money, I will be able to raise between 5 million and 7 million. I will use that to pay the initial deposit for this money I took as a backdoor loan, while I will pay the remaining rest. I went further. I said, if the ministry cannot wait for 1 month or 3 months for me to sell this property, that I am willing to hand over the property, the document to this property I mentioned to them, so that they will know I'm willing to pay. Yet you are looking for my life to kill. You are looking for my family to kill. You are my train. You.
I beg, una see am, and you are TikTok here to share the same thing, or to share the same thing. The thing what happened yesterday, it happened soon.
My wife.
Oh, TikTok, yo.
And then you want to come and deliver to her. You send message to my son that because you know he's a graphic designer, that you have some certificate to design, that you are in Mobile. I have everything, verifiable everything for all of this thing I'm saying. That you want him to design something for you, that should contact you back. Well, because I am not a novice, I know about IT very well, even though I am an accountant and an auditor, trained, verified, certified.
TikTok, I have to come back. Oh, the same thing that happened to us yesterday has happened again. When I said we should power tap, we didn't power tap.
I am this reason, and the existence of financial supervision department or the two is dependent on me. You must go and verify this fact. This what I'm saying is a lie. I hold that department. I never.
They go serve God.
You said you want to go and investigate all the region I have worked before. You are free. Go and audit all the region where I have ever worked before. If you found anywhere.
No, it's going to go off in the next 3 minutes. TikTok, this is going off in the next 4 minutes.
Come to the whole world. Let the whole world, let the court be in contempt with me, because I am sure I am an integrity man. But my situation pushed me into this case, and I was ready to pay your labor while you after my life. So all I am saying to you now, they are very powerful parts. But I need to come here because your intensity to kill me is on the increase. And I cannot be watching while you kill me, kill my wife, kill my children, kill Taiwo twin Jacob, kill his wife, kill his children. Let the whole world come to arrest you. Very black man, I have contacted you to help me on this.
Very dark man, you want to pay that alone.
If you are listening to this, reply to my message. Come to my rescue. Let Shore come to my rescue. Let the whole world come to my rescue. Let Akefela, let all the TV stations in Nigeria come to my rescue.
When are they want you now? Now,
the fact that I did what I did. Dr. Barrister Boluwatifedi, please go to any length of the world. Publicize this to the whole world. Tell the whole world, let them know. Let the international body come to my rescue. I did not deny this fact. I promised them. I have already written an undertaking of how I want to pay, but they are not willing to accept my undertaking. They said they don't want it, except I should go and look for the money. And yet, they sacked me, they fired me, they withdraw me from the region. I am not a sitting staff. I am a field staff. And the field is where we get the money that we use to run our family. You have withdrawn me, you through Esther Adeba, who is the HOD of my department. You have withdrawn me and Taiwo twin Jacob. And then, which money exactly do you now want us to use to pay back the loan?
When I want you now, when you call me marine spirits.
Which we are going to pay back this money. How else do you want us to pay?
I never see anything.
You what? We did not deny you. We are willing and we are ready to pay back the money. And we have written undertaking to the ministry on how we want to be paying back the money. But they said they don't want. Please help me ask them. Is this money God's money or OLUKOYA money?
So why did you steal it?
Said, it is my money. And if my memory serves me right, this same OLUKOYA has taught us that this money is God's money. And he told us that he's not collecting salary. He's not spending this money. How come God's money and become his money all of a sudden? You Christian around the world, if you have your brain, reason well.
If any, they call me Marine Spirit.
Mark my word very well. I did
not. I beg you, they deal with them well.
If you are in a shoe, watching your daughter dying right in your own face, what would you do? If you are in my shoe, at the same time, while your daughter is going through that suffering, a company called AGO, go and verify what I'm saying. It is not a lie. The matter is still in court. And they came to demolish my uncompleted house. And then we went into litigation.
TikTok, please, I'm coming back. I will send you a request. I will come back now.
Go to the
TikTok
complex in Abeokuta, Court 4. Go and find out about this case. This case is still ongoing. I did not buy car. I did not buy clothes. I did not do luxury with this very money. I used this money to save the life of my daughter. And I used this money to press charges against AGO, who came to destroy my house. And I explained everything to the ministry in writing because I was crazy. And I told them, yes, I accept.
Maybe when I don't want to now, they be Marine Spirit. Yeah, TikTok is back. It's because they didn't do what they're supposed to do. Shebi I be Marine Spirit. You now call very dark man. Wait till Ezi ring yara MFM. I warn you now. Shebi I be Marine Spirit. My people, for those of you that listened to me few years ago, what is different from what he's saying? Because I'm still going to finish it. Hold on. You know they lie, oh. God know they lie, oh. I love this God, oh. But that time they say I be Marine Spirit. Shebi, she Marine Spirit ni mi ba mi o, she mi o je Marine Spirit bo. Yeah, people. You this system not do any nonsense, so. Maybe I want to now they come and they try to bring it back. Maybe they say I be Marine Spirit now. Nigerians, when are we going to learn? These MFM people now, where they cry. When I told them, what do they call me? These MFM guys, where they cry now, they call me Marine Spirits.
Be content with me because I am sure I am an integrity man. But my situation pushed me into this case and I was ready to pay your money back. Why are you after my life? So all I am saying to you now, they have very powerful parts.
Can you power tap so that it doesn't happen again, my people?
To kill me is on the increase. And I cannot be watching while you kill me, kill my wife, kill my children, kill Taiwo twin Jacob, kill his wife, kill his children. Let the whole world come to our rescue. Very dark black man, I have contacted you to help me on this matter. You have not replied my message.
Oh, my reply.
Reply to my message. Come to my rescue. Let Shimure come to my rescue. Let the world come to my rescue. Let Akifichua, let all the TV stations in Nigeria come to my rescue. Listen to my word very well. I am not denying the fact that I did what I did. Dr. Barrister Boluwatife, please go to any length of the world. Publicize this to the whole world. Tell the whole world, let them know. Let the international body come to my rescue. I did not deny this fact. I promise them I have already written an undertaking of how I want to pay, but they are not willing to accept my undertaking. They said they don't want it, except I should go and look for the money. And yet, they sacked me, they fired me, they withdraw me from the region. I am not a sitting staff, I am a field staff. And the field is where we get the money that we use to run our family. You have withdrawn me, you through Esther Adeba, who is the HOD of my department. You have withdrawn me and Taiwo in Jacob. And then, which money exactly do you now want us to use to pay back the loan? That is the reason we ran away into hiding. Because the only means through which we are going to pay back this money, you have taken away from us. How else do you want us to pay? That is why calling for your work. We did not deny you. We are willing and we are ready to pay back the money. And we have written undertaking to the ministry on how we want to be paying back the money. But they said they don't want. Please help me ask them, is this money God's money or OLUKOYA money? Because OLUKOYA said, it is my money. And if my memory serves me right, this same OLUKOYA has taught us that this money is God's money. And he told us that he's not collecting salary, he's not spending this money. How come God's money has become his money all of a sudden? You Christians around the world, if you have your brain, reason well. Please don't be sentimental on this matter. Be objective and listen. Mark my word very well. I did not deny that I do this thing. If you are in my shoe, watching your daughter dying right in your own face, what would you do? If you are in my shoe, at the same time, while your daughter is going through that suffering, a company called AGOs, when you verify what I'm saying, it is not a lie. The matter is still in court, as I'm saying. And they came to demolish my uncompleted house. And then we went into litigation. This is what I used the money. If you want to verify all of these things I'm saying, go to Judiciary Complex in Abeokuta, Court 4. Go and find out about this case. This case is still ongoing. I did not buy car. I did not buy clothes. I did not do luxury with this very money. I use this money to save the life of my daughter. Against AGO who came to destroy my house. And I explained everything to the ministry in writing because I was crazy. And I told them, yes, I accepted the fault and I am willing to pay back. Why are you after my life? They are after my life. Oh, I cannot stay anywhere. I am running around. Wherever I sleep today is not the place I will sleep tomorrow. The world come to my rescue. Let international body come to my rescue. And I will bring Jacob rescue. Let the world come to our rescue. Want to kill us.
Let
me tell you a little about the director of administration. I've told you earlier that I was instrumental to how he got this job while he was a member in Southwest 161 Ede Road, Ife. Now, this same listen to me very well. He's a bribe collector, a petition writer. When you worked before at the Obafemi Awolowo University, go and verify.
One is a bribe collector. Shoji, kill him. But now let me hear all this thing. You just do back, and my lazy.
And this thing I'm telling you, if I am lying, go there and find out about it. He's a petition writer. He loves money so well. Now let me tell you, go tell him to render all the accounts he have in all bank and wallet of Nigeria. If he can prove it, that he has not received money from different regions as a bribe. But let me not talk much about.
They say all these things, not because they talk to them. Now money. Ṣé bó ṣe ná owó yín ẹ̀yin òpònú tẹ́ that tithe and offering. See as they waste the money. See as they waste the money. Yóò lè máa bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú tẹ́ wà yìí.
Talk about this one that I, Olutola Foundation, must have been instrumental. All the regions that are under me, I have been instrumental to tell them personally to bring the money in envelope to give to the same Temitope Olawale.
Did ṣe gbọ́ bẹ̀ yẹn? This Amos said all the region under him. Òun bá wọn collect money, go and give this man. So una dey hear am that one na church any ẹ̀yin olófò dédé. I no talk as say una be yeye people.
You are a bribe collector and you are after me. And God told all of us, it's great that we are all enjoying. That very woman that was caught in the act of adultery, they brought her to Jesus.
Easy, they suit me for belle.
This woman was caught in the very act of adultery. According to the law of Moses, he said we should stone her to death. And Jesus Christ faced the ground and he was writing on the floor. Nobody knew what he was writing. But according to the scholars, some of them said he was writing about the life chapter of all the accusers of that woman. And he was mentioning their name one by one. And then he said, you so and so, if you have not sinned before, be the first person to cast a stone on this woman. By the time Jesus Christ was going to lift up his head, all the accusers of this woman, they have gone. And Jesus said, woman, where are all thy accusers? And she said, I see no one. And he said, if that be the case, I do not condemn you. And he said, go and sin no more. If that be the case, you, Dr. Daniel OLUKOYA, and you, Temitope Olawale, you, Pastor Beson Adebambo, you, Pamotosho, Olale, who is the author of Mountain of Fire Miracle Mercy, you are a bribe collector.
Oh! No be me talk on. You know I'm Emoruko Toda. Only Daniel OLUKOYA. About the bribe collector. Only Beson, auditor, all of them. Sakama J. So I did live. I did hear them. Now let me know. Now let me hear that one. Now let me hear that one. I see they are alive now. And most of you my chasing. Now me tell this man to they talk this one.
Verifiable fact to show to the whole world that I collected money from my region and sent to your account. I can prove it. I'm not saying anything that's not verifiable. You want to show. You, Esther Adebayo, I have verifiable facts where I can show different transactions where I collected money from my region and sent to your personal account. I can prove it to the whole world. So if you are guilty,
who is that? My sister Eje Nkabi, who is now from the marine spirit? Is it Maureen Badejo Olukoya? Eje amagbo. Ṣé kò tán di yín? Yọkọlú ko. Ẹ ṣẹ̀sín. Àṣírí yín tú. This familiar stuff is also happening in RCCG land portion allocated during convention every year. Ẹ ti ṣẹ̀sín mi sọ fún yín.
When I have confessed to the crime, and the same Bible you are reading that I am reading said, confess your fault one to another.
You see this confession, you know, rich money side. Now money with they talk. All these evil they are doing it because of money. You can't go touch sawdust. Okay. MFM at OLUKOYA share sim mo sọ pé ma share ṣe. Wait, they say on be bribe collector.
Have I not confessed my sin to you?
Ma bi si apa yin. Si apa yin.
I will undertaking that. Why are you after our life and our family to kill us? What exactly is the problem? Why are you after our life? If God, the Almighty, due to the dispensation of grace where we are, did not kill you for your life, you, Dr. Daniel OLUKOYA, this one I'm saying is not a lie. I was among different number of people that was in your office on that day to plead for one of our colleagues who was wrongfully accused of what she never did. She never did that offense, and she was suspended for 2 years without pay, and she never did that offense. I'm saying it again. Let you all come and investigate this matter I'm talking about. She never did that offense. You lied straight to our own face.
Olukoya, only you lied. You are a liar. Hiya! Ọlọ́run tó jágbára Òṣùbàrẹ̀ màrè o. Òṣùbàrẹ̀ màrè o. Jésù mi tó lágbára Òṣùbàrẹ̀ màrè o. Òṣùbàrẹ̀ màrè o. Olukoya, wọ́n ní you are a liar. Eléyìí enter. Ẹ̀mí ń gbé mi. Yeah. He said you are a liar. Ha! God, Olukoya ṣẹ̀sín àgbáyé o. Mo sọ pé ọ máa ṣẹ̀sín ò sì ṣẹ̀sín. Only you are a liar. Wọ́n ní o lè parọ́ kú. Àfìgbà tó o ṣẹ̀sín, mo ló máa ṣẹ̀sín. Ó ti rí nǹkan kan. Dàbí tí mo bá parọ́ mọ́ ẹ. Orúkọ àṣírí ẹ̀ ń tú. No be me dey do am now. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ ló ń tú. Àwọn ọmọ lẹ́yìn ẹ ló ń tú. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tí rí nǹkan kan. Nigeria is going to witness serious ẹ̀sín. Tí bá ti gbà báyìí, màá máa fi sí apá ẹ yé. Olukoya, they say you are a liar. Ọmọ ẹ ló sọ. Yẹ́ lọ bá play fún George kò ní yẹ ẹ̀ ní kú rẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ olórí ibú gbòde yìí.
If you have instructed them to forgive and call her back, but they never did. That was a lie. You committed sin. God did not kill you. You're right. You may call it.
Wọ́n ní jí òyìn láyà, wọ́n ní ìdè commit sin. Ká yẹ gbogbo yín pátápátá tẹ́ ẹ búrò síta tẹ́ ẹ bú mi kò ní yẹ yín ní kankan. Ẹ ní kú rẹ̀ ẹ̀yin olórí ibú dédé.
It doesn't matter. It was after we came to your office to say this, and you told us to our face that you have told them to call her back, that she spent extra 1 year and 7 months to join to the other year she has spent in suspension without pay to make it 2 years. When it was exactly 2 years, that was when she was called back to that. Assuming it was
MFM member, how market insider exposing your geo and all the atrocity going on in your church. Kò ní yẹ gbogbo yín. Òfò lẹ máa ṣe ní kankan pẹ̀lú èpè ìyà tẹ́ ń ṣe fúnra yín látijọ́ yìí. Pẹ̀lú irọ́, everything I said 5-6 years ago is still playing out. I don't pity all this one, no, because they are among the people that were cursing me, calling me names. But I need to come and tell him, pé, he never starts. The man never starts. Oh, you ti rí kankan. I told you that time, pé, eni mo care, I am pain. But joy sí ẹ, wọ́n bá yín postpone ẹ. Ṣé ti rí pé ó ń pọ̀ sí la. Ẹ lè bọ́nú ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin olórí ibú dédé kò ní yẹ gbogbo yín. Pátápátá. Láti number 1 yìí dé sàlẹ̀ kò ní yẹ yín.
And the prophet, and you lie like that. Do you think you would not have been killed? Because in the period of the law and prophet, the Bible said the soul that sinneth shall die. You would have been killed. Esadiba would have been killed. Timothy would have been killed. Omotosho, Oladeko, you would have been killed. Bessie, you would have been killed. Virtually 80% of the pastors in MFL. Most of the pastors in MFL.
Edugbo 80%. Oh, their church is finished. Virtually 80% of the pastors in MFM. 80%. Everything is excellent.
There are real pastors in ministry. I can beat my chest for it. But these ones I have mentioned, they are not pastors.
Oh!
They are Jegudu.
He said those ones that he mentioned, they are not pastors. They are Jegudu Jeras. When I hear them, Olukoya, you hear that? You know what they call you? They say you know be pastor. Wá ní Maureen sọ ẹni kò ní yẹ.
Yeah, Ben, if it was in the time of the law and the prophets, when the Bible strictly followed through that the soul that sinners shall die, all of this would have died. But because we are in the dispensation of grace, grace covered you. You were not killed. You were pardoned. You were forgiven. Why are you not allowing grace to work for me, Ukweli Fuishoimus, and Taiwo, Tony, and his wife and his family, and my wife and my family? Because we did not deny. We confessed to this crime. We wrote on the thinking of how we want to pay, but you are not willing.
Olegba.
And then you assign that police woman.
Sister, my sister, time for the star, Mombo.
Of Samu police station, with SP Comfort ND, and they are on my train. They have been to the house I was living before, looking for me up and down. Even the high POs, they contacted me recently, telling me that I should not run away from her. I should contact her. Yes. And then, you personally, Dr. Danikola OLUKOYA, and you, Temitope Olawale, you gave your special policewoman who always do a black operation for you, as you use in the case of Elijimo and your.
Una hear say somebody they have police officer that do black operation for them. Shey una they hear. They use they make una hear the name of that officer. Make una hear ayole yi taye se ore ka ye ti nbaje.
I want to know, Richard, who was the lead singer you, Dr. Danikola OLUKOYA, before that you used for that matter? Who is Ayo, that policewoman? And they're on the trail, Ayo lady, and she has contacted.
Bon brother read something here, and I'm going to read it before we go further. He said, if the money belongs to God, why threatening the man? Why not report him to God and leave the rest? Yeah, people.
Threatened my wife, my son, my in-law, and the same matter. Please desist, because you are evil men.
Ew.
You are not righteous, and God has not killed you.
They say they are evil men. They are not righteous. MFM, how markets? Aya. Yeah. This one sweet me for Bele. Ah, my God. Make I finish. I still they go somewhere. I'm going somewhere.
We never deny this act. We said you should give us grace to pay back your money. But you said you are not willing to listen to.
This brother said this Mugu Ranti is among the people defending him before. When you were exposing their underground sick. God bless you. Now make me say they take office and not support anybody.
Was. And that's why you're on the trail. And based on fact of what you have done to different people, because you have power and position, you suppress justice.
Hey, this is too much, Georgie. They said because of what you have done to so many people, you suppress justice. Ada fún ele tó sọ yìí. Ele tó sọ yìí leju. Aya. Abisi apawo.
You have power in the executive half of this country. You have power in the legislative arm of this country.
Oh.
Because you are a big elephant. And we are just like ants. You want to swallow up. Let the whole world come to our rescue. We are not seeking justification for what we did. We are only saying that we are guilty, but we are willing to pay. They should give us chance.
Sorry, kò ní dá fún ìyá ẹ àti bàbá ẹ. Sorry, olè mi useless, general overseer useless àti gbogbo àwọn ìrandíran tó bí ẹ. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ní padà sí kóòdù kò ní yé yín, ayé yín máa bàjẹ́ ni. Ó rò pé mo rán yín ni. Sọ fún Olúkọ̀yà kó padà sí kóòdù kò dẹ̀ ní dá fún ẹ búkọ tó kọ èmi ní block yẹ. Lọ sọ fún Olúkọ̀yà kó padà sí kóòdù kò ní yé yín. Ẹ rò pé lè jẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Ayé yín á bàjẹ́ sí mi lọ́wọ́ èmi mo padà wá.
Said no, they withdraw us from region where we get money for us to use to pay. How else do they want us to pay this money? That is why we have been running about, because they have taken the power of payment away from us. Let the whole world come to our rescue. I want all the bloggers in the whole world to come to our rescue. I want Ajasera to come to our rescue.
Because when it don't come to your rescue, when I said it, what did you do? You were making just a shape for me and your lorry budede.
mass media, everybody to pick up this story and publish it around the world. Very dark black man that wants to come to our rescue. Let the whole world know the evil that these men are doing. They want to kill us. Let me know if you hear today, tomorrow, or next tomorrow that I, Olukoya Solution Amos, is dead, or that my wife is dead, or that any member of my family is dead, or that you had that time to